Let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So make sure you subscribe if you have not done that yet. Make sure you like, share, make a comment, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. Now let's take a look at Swiss franc JPY. As you can see here, right? You can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is strong a bullish move, right? We are seeing a series of bullish move, right? Which is a series of higher high and higher low that market is forming, right? Now, take a look at this here. This is our first high that W Swiss franc JPY was able to form, and this is the higher low. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on Swiss franc JPY should be a bullish move that should form what a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame. So this is the major support level. So we see a rejection at this zone. So from here, we should be expecting your Swiss franc JPY to contact a level of 200. So that is our next target. We are currently trading at 198. Our next target on Swiss franc JPY is a level of 200. More updates will be covered on this for you guys. So all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification. So once we drop an update, you don't miss out on any updates. And also follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So once again, we will be expecting a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY that should push up to tap a level of 200 for the day.